Hello everyone, today I will show you something very cool. How to add image hotspots on your online store. Most of the big brands use image hotspots because we can showcase our product in real life situations, which is way better for grabbing the attention of our visitors than just a product photo. On these image hotspots, we can show which products are used, so it's super easy for people to go to the product page and then buy our product. You will be able to add as many image hotspots as you want, and you can also place them on any page of your store. It can be your home page, your product page, or any other pages. Welcome to the Tech channel, where we show you how to build your professional online store using our platform, Tech. On Tech, all the features are free, and we show you how to use them here on this channel. So if you're not using Tech yet, you can get a free trial on our website, lodr.tech/en. You will find the link in the description below. My name is Martin, I'm the founder of Tech, and now I will leave you with Max, our AI YouTuber, and he will show you how you can add image hotspots on your store. Let's go.
Hi guys, happy to see you again for a new tutorial. So first things first, you need the image that you will use for the hotspot. For me, I will use this image of a dog surrounded by some toys, because my online store sells toys for dogs. Now I will show you how to add the hotspot for some toys, so the visitors of my store can easily find my products. And then you can do the same thing and add as many hotspots as you want on your image. So once you have your image, we can go to your online store and add our hotspots. But we want to use an application called DV Pixel. To access this application, just go to your dashboard here at the top left. Then go to Applications here on the left, and then All Applications. Here, just search for Pixel and activate the application DV Pixel. Okay, super. For me, I will add the hotspot image on my homepage, but you can follow the same steps and add your hotspot on any page you want. You just need to go to the visual builder of the page where you want to add the hotspot. So to go to my homepage, I will go to my website here at the top and click on Visit Site. Okay, then I will just click on Enable Visual Builder. And now I am in the visual builder of my homepage. Super. Now, to add the image that we will use for the hotspot, we just need to add the Pixel Image Hotspot module anywhere on our page where we want to display our image. For me, I will add it here, just above this headline Shop Online. So I will just create a new section and a row with just one column, and I will add my Pixel Image Hotspot module. And again, you can add this module anywhere you want on your page. Then, in the image section, let's add our image. If your image is already in your library like mine, then select it and click on Upload Image. Or, if it is not yet in your library, just go to Upload Files and upload your image. For me, I have it already, so I go to the Media Library, select my image, and click on Upload an Image. Okay, great, we have our image. Now we want to add the hotspot. So click on Add New Item. In Admin Label, you should enter the name of your hotspot. So let's do the pet safe now. Then, you can choose what you want for your hotspot. Either you can use one of the icons that are available, or you can upload your own custom image. For me, I will just use an icon, and for example, this one here. When you add your hotspot, by default, it will be at the top left of your image, just here. It may not be clearly visible due to the background color. Let's change the color of the hotspot to a lighter one. Visit Design, then Hotspot, and let's make it white. Now, click Save. Cool, now it is clearly visible. First, let's change the position. For that, let's go to Settings. You can adjust the vertical and horizontal position to place the hotspot exactly where you want it on your image. For me, I will put it here, on the purple toy. You can see a preview of what your tooltip looks like. You just need to hover over your hotspot. Now, it's empty. It's normal. We will add the content just after. Then you have some additional settings where you can change the tooltip position. You can put it below, for example, if you want. You can also change the width. You can change the alignment of the content, and you can add an arrow if you want. For example, let's add a red arrow. You can see it appears here. Then, if you use an icon like me for your hotspot, you can change the design of it. Just go to Design and then Hotspot. We have already tried the icon color. For example, you can change the color anytime. I will keep it white. You can add a circle around your icon. For example, I will choose black, and you can change the size of your icon if you want. Then below that, you can add a ripple effect if you want. I think this is a pretty cool thing to add. I will add a red one. Depending on what you have done here, your hotspot might have moved a little bit, so you can go back to content and settings to adjust its position and make it perfect. Okay, great. Now, let's do the tooltip. We will start with the content first, and then we will do the design. So let's go to content here, and then tooltip. Here you have two options in content type. Either default, you will be able to add an image, a title, a description, and a button. Or you can choose Divi Library and display an element from your Divi library. I won't go into details about this option now because it is a little bit more advanced, but if you already know how to use the Divi library, you can display here in your tooltip the elements that you have created and saved into the library. This allows you to display everything that you want without any restrictions. But for this video for now, we will use the default type. It is easier and faster. First, you can add an icon here, or even better, you can add an image of your product. That is pretty cool. This is what I will do. I will just add the picture of my PetSafe product. Then, if you add an image, you can define the alt text, this is optional, and then you can add a title. For example, PetSafe. You can add a description, for example, 25, and you can add a button. For example, buy now. Then for the link, I want this button to go to my product page. So I will go to my dashboard here, right-click, and open in a new tab so I do not exit the visual builder. Then I will go to products and all products. I click on my product, PetSafe, and here I have the link to my product page. It is just next to permalink, so I copy this link. Then I go back to the visual builder and I paste the link into the button link. So now this button will go directly to my product page, which is perfect. Now let's change the design. Let's go to design, and you can change the design of the tooltip image or icon, the tooltip box, the tooltip text, which is the title and the description, and the button. For me, first, I will change the description. I would like it slightly bigger. So I go to tooltip text, then description, and then I change the description text size to 18 pixels, for example. And I want the color of the text to be black as well. Okay, perfect. Then I will change my title. I would like it slightly smaller. So I go to title, and in title text size, I put 25 pixels, for example. Perfect. Then I will change the style of my button as well. So I go to tooltip button, and I use custom style. You do not need to do the same as me, so feel free to do whatever you want to match your website design. For me, I will make this button a little bit better. First, I will put the text size to 18px as well. Then I want my button to have a black background and the text in white. And I would like to add a little icon. For example, I will search for cart. This one is cool for a button, and I only want to show this icon when I hover on the button. Okay, this is cool. Then, depending on what you have done, you might want to change the settings of your tooltip. For example, for me, I have too much white space here on the side and I want to remove it. So go back to content, then open the settings. For example, we can change the tooltip width. 180 pixels for me is perfect. Then you can save. And here we go, perfect. We have a very nice first hotspot on our image. One very important thing to check is how it looks on different screen sizes, such as tablet and mobile. We want to make sure that it still looks good. So let's click on the tablet icon here to preview the tablet view. Okay, here it's good. And then let's click on the mobile icon here to preview on mobile. And here we can see that my icon is too big. It's not only on our toy anymore. So in case that happens to you as well, here is how to fix that and make our icon smaller on mobile only. Let's click on Design and then Hotspot and Icon Font Size. Hover on this option to see those little additional icons here. These are extra options that we can use. And click on the little telephone. This will allow you to define a different size only on mobile. So for me, I will put 12 pixels. And okay, perfect, we can save. Then let's go back to our desktop view and we are done with our first hotspot. Congratulations! Then to add more than one, it's very simple. We can just duplicate the hotspot that we have just created by clicking on the duplicate icon here. And all we have to do is to change the content and the position. So let's open the settings of this new hotspot. First, let's change the label to dog ball. Then in settings, let's change the position to be on the toys on the right. And in tooltip, let's change the content. Let's change the image and put the image of my dog balls. Then the title to dog balls, the description to 9. And then we need to add the link to the product page. So I go back to the dashboard, products, then all products. I go to my product, dog balls. I copy the link to the product page. Then I go back to the visual builder and I paste the link into the button link. Perfect. We are done with our second hotspot. Let's save, and now we have our 2 hotspots on your image. Congratulations. Let's have one more hotspot on this yellow dog dumbbell. We have to again duplicate the hotspot that we have just created by clicking on the duplicate icon. Now we have to change the content and the position. In the next step, let's open the settings of this new hotspot. Let's change the label to dog dumbbell. Then, in settings, let's change the position to be on the toys in the top left corner. Let's move right to the tooltip to change the content. Let's change the image and put the image of my dog dumbbell. Then the title to dog dumbbell. The description is 10 euros. And then we need to add the link to the product page. So I go back to the dashboard, products, then all products. I go to my product, dog dumbbell. I copy the link to the product page. Then I go back to the visual builder and I paste the link into the button link. Congratulations, we are all done. As the settings remain the same, the hotspot needs no changes, but we must check if they fit the different screen sizes. Let's check. Click on the settings of the dog dumbbell hotspot. Click on design, then hotspot, and then scroll down to icon font size. Hover over the text. You will get the telephone icon. Click on it to view the mobile screen. We can see it is not in the perfect position and size. Let's reduce the icon font size. We can check the other options as well for the tablet. We have to reduce the size. For the desktop, it is perfect, so we'll save it from here. Now you can see everything's ready. And in exactly the same way, you can add as many hotspots as you want on your image. Don't forget to save your page at the bottom right of your visual builder when you have finished. And let's go to our page to have a look at how it looks. We can exit the visual builder here at the top. And here we go. We can scroll down. We have our image with our hotspot. We can click on the hotspot. And when we click on Buy Now, we're redirected to our product page. This way, your customers can buy your product from here. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Max, for the tutorial. Now you know exactly how to add an image hotspot on your online store. If you have any question, you can put them in the comment below, or you can also contact us on the customer support. We will be super happy to help you. Now, to go further, you should have a look at the other videos on this channel, because you will find many other features that will help you convert more visitors into paying customers. And on this channel, we show you how to build your professional online store from A to Z, how to increase your sales, and we also talk about design and our very cool AI tools. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to see our next videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.